What's up, hungry people? Today, we are making sweet potato marshmallow cookies. It's how I imagine sweet potato casserole should be served, as a dessert and not as a side dish. Start with raw sweet potato in a microwave-safe dish. Add a couple tablespoons of water and then microwave for 5 to 6 minutes, or until the sweet potato is tender. Carefully transfer the sweet potato without dropping the bowl into a larger mixing bowl. Then add butter and use a hand mixer to beat the sweet potato and butter until the mixture starts to lighten in color. Next, add in brown sugar, dark molasses, warmed honey, lemon juice, a generous amount of sea salt, cinnamon, a pinch of nutmeg, ground cloves, vanilla, and an egg. Beat it all together until well blended and then add in the flour 1 cup at a time. Mix in each addition of flour until a thick dough forms. Eventually, if your mixer starts to struggle with the dough, switch over to a wooden spoon and finish mixing by hand. Chill the dough for at least an hour. Use your hands to roll the dough into evenly sized dough balls and arrange them on a baking sheet lined with a silicone mat or parchment paper. Then use the bottom of a glass cup and press it down gently onto each dough ball to flatten it into a 1/2 inch round shape. Bake the cookies at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 to 6 minutes. This will just start to bake the cookies. They should still be doughy when you pull them out. Press a marshmallow onto the top of each cookie. As the marshmallow melts, it will stick to the cookie. The goal here is for the marshmallow to melt evenly over the top of each cookie. Return the cookies to the oven for an additional 5 to 6 minutes, but be sure to keep a close eye on the cookies so that the marshmallow just starts to get toasted and doesn't start to burn. While the marshmallows are still ooey gooey, press a single pecan onto the top of each one. Pecan? Well, however you say it. You can totally add as many as you'd like. They're your cookies, so make them how you want. I've always been suspicious of sweet potato casserole, but these cookies hit all the right notes while also making sweet potato casserole into the dessert it deserves to be. What's your favorite holiday dish that you don't really understand? Let me know down in the comments below. Saute up that like button if this recipe made you hungry, and don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell to be notified of new recipes that I post every week. As always, you can find this full recipe with step-by-step instructions and many others on thestarvingchefblog.com. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll talk to you soon.